Enrichment and Academic Development of Students team is celebrating Pi Day at Lakota East High School with hands-on STEM-related activities from 45 different exhibitors for children of the community.
Pi Day is a hands-on math and science night, and it's designed for kids to just come and be able to get a positive hands-on experience with all of the STEAM-related fields.
Today for Pi Day, I came because, well, I got my own Pi Day earrings, but I love sharing STEM and sharing with the community about all the things that come with fun with math and technology.
I think they provide opportunities for kids that they aren't necessarily getting at school, and maybe they're really interested in robotics and they're too young to have that at their school, or their school doesn't have anything like that. So I feel like it fills a void for kids and provides them with enrichment and just opportunities to explore things that they're interested in, but it might not be part of the school curriculum.
What do you guys like the most?
The buzzy thingy with the toothbrush. I like the marble run thing.
New for this year, Lakota introduced the Wonder Bus, the district's first mobile learning space.
So the idea is that it's like our Wonder Labs on wheels. So in all of our early childhood buildings, we have Wonder Labs that are low tech, high play. So on our Wonder Bus, you'll find low tech items like Osmos, Spheros, Spectrums, as well as opportunities for play. So art, you'll find Kiva planks, things like that kids can build with.
I'm Regan Denham, SBN.